Brilliant. Okay then, close that. Now I'm going to create a variable with the different country currency that I intend to convert to. So let's come right here. Yeah, I'm out as well. Place it here. So I'm going to call that conversion underscore rate. That is going to be equals center curly braces. The first country, that will be the default country, that will be Britain. Okay, that's supposed to be Matumbo about 0. Okay, this one. So I can take this off now because I'm going to be using that as a 0. So come right in here and paste this there as well. This is going to be cool. Get it indented properly. All right, so that's the Britain one. And what is the rates? The GBP, British pound sterling, column, and the value is going to be 1, comma. Then the next country, maybe United States. Okay, so I'm going to just speed that up. I need maybe about 10, 11 countries. Let's just speed that up. Right there, guys. So those are for my exchange rate. Now that that is done, before I carry out any of the calculation, I want to make sure these are displayed on the combo box. So let's come right down here. You see where we have the combo box? The combo box. Here we go. So right here, I'm going to now call this value in here. I'm going to call this conversion rate. So we just say conversion rate dot keys. So let's come down here, put a comma there. There, conversion dot keys. And I'll repeat the same thing for the other one. Copy that and come right here. Paste. Save that. Let's go to file, save. So I'm now going to let's run that and see. Click on run. There we go. Look at that. I can see British pound sterling in there. There we go. So you just select whatever you want to convert it into. That's good. All right. So we're gonna need some buttons here though, but yeah, let's take care of the buttons first because without the buttons we won't be able to. Let's just say yeah, button widget. First of all, when I run it, let's run it first. I want to see if this works. Okay, you see in here, I want the cursor to be flashing in there. So let's do this. What is, yeah, that's it right there. Entry. Copy that. So right here, we're gonna get the entry to get focus. As amount underscore entry dot focus. There. So if I run it now, I should be able to see the mouse flashing in there. Look at that. You see that? Alright, close that. Now let's add buttons. The first button is going to be self dot btn converter. Btn converter, that's going to be equals button. And this button is a resident right inside this widget. Let's see, button frame, comma, The font, get hold of that, paste. And what about the width? We can just say comma, width. And we make the width. I'm gonna make that about 15. Height is gonna be about 2. All right. What about the text that will be on it? Text that is going to be, let's just say maybe convert comma. Okay, let's assume, let's close that for now. The grid, because I don't have a function for it yet for the command to work. And I'm just going to specify the following rows and columns. There. It's going to be in row 0, column 0 for the first button. And I just leave the rest like that for now. Right. So if I save that, come in here, save. Let's just see, that's the button. Okay, so create another button, copy. Oh, wait a minute, let's change this to about 4 and the spacing about 8 vertically. So create 2 more buttons there. And this one is going to be, this is going to be resets. Yeah, and this is going to be exit. So just change the name here, exit. And 0, 1, that's 1, 2. So we have exit here, so this is going to be reset. Right. I think the button is taken care of. Let's run this. Save first. There we go. We have all my buttons there. That's nice. Okay, I'm going to do one more thing. Let's just go and increase the size of this frame right here. Let's go back right up. And I'm going to make this maybe about, and press F5. All right, almost there. Maybe save and run. That's much better. Okay then. Now let's put together some functions to come for the conversion. For the conversion, I'm going to call that right underneath here. Let's say, yeah, define the following function converter or convert underscore currency. There we go. So using a try in case if there's any error, I will just say local variable, create an amount that is going to be float in case, and you just say self, grab whatever we have inside, self dot amount, dot get. Get whatever value you have in there, store right here. Now we then say there's a from currency, that is the amount that was entered, that is going to be self dot from in the box. Yeah, so self dot in the box dot get. And for currency as well. So I'm going to grab all of these and just change it around. This is a tool. And this is tool as well. That is the name of the combo box. Let's see. So there we go to currency underscore combo box. Yeah. Okay then. So I'm now going to create another variable. I'll call that currency amount. That's where it's going to be stored. Converted amount. Yes, converted amount underscore amount. And that is going to be equals amount multiply that by conversion rate. Let's see here. The conversion rate that I'm talking of is right here. Conversion rate, then paste that to underscore currency. Then we divide that by conversion rate and from. Then we say from currency. There we go. Alright, that is done. We now need to add the results. Where are we going to add our results? We want to add our result inside the. Let's create another label. Now copy all of this. Let's paste it right underneath here. And this is going to be inside. I did have, yeah, I have something for that. That is it. Frame is called converter. Display converter. And change this to display converter. And I might as well change the name of this to self underscore dot result. Repeat the same thing here. The text content on it will be nothing for now. No text. Reduce this to about 20. Okay. And I'm going to just get it span about maybe two columns. Equals to get rid of this and just cover it up. There we go. Alright. Roll center. Span about 2. Alright then. That's fine. For now, let me run it. Though you won't be able to see it only if I add. Let's just add something in here so that you guys can see it. Because it's a label. Yeah, what is that? Let's see. Okay, then let's just enter my exception in there. So right here, press enter, and I'm going to say accept valid error. And that is where this comes in. Set dot root, we expect you to just enter the following statement. Dot config, that's going to be text equals, just say please enter the valid number. Just in case if the user enter unwanted value. And here as well, I need to configure that label right underneath here. That's where my answer will be displayed if the answer is right. So I'm going to say F. While it braces, enter the amounts, another curly braces for the from. That is going to be equals and two more curly braces in here. Place that here for now. Alright, so we'll start by entering that. So here we need this amount. Place that here. Then we need from currency. We need that here. Then we then need the converted amount right here. And so copy and paste. Okay, right. Yes, you guys can see that. So let's do one thing so that you can see all of this. Okay, so you should be able to see that now. So one other thing is I did enter whatever in here. Okay, so that's, I just want to use that to confirm that this label is in the right position. So let's run it now. There we go, look at it. Okay, so I'm going to now call the function in here. Now first of all, get rid of the text in that label. There we go. Now this very function, I'm going to call it inside the button. Come right down here. Where is that? The comma command equals that. That is for the function. So let's see if that's going to work as we want. So I'm going to enter whatever value in there, and from British pound sterling to maybe Canadian or China. There we go. Look at that. It's working, guys. Let's convert it to euro. Let's convert it to Nigeria. There we go, guys. Just a little bit of space here. Okay, that is fine, guys. That's working as we want. Close that. Now we need to exit and so on. So let's first of all let's let's come right in here. Here I'm just gonna say two column dot two, yeah, two decimal place in there. Now let me do one thing, you see, so that you guys can see it all, because if I dare bring it down there will be an error. So I'm going to come in here, options, and just kind of like reduce the size of the font to about 18. Aha, so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that's good. That's much better. Now, guys, let's do one more thing. We now need to create the reset and exits. So the reset and exit are what you guys, I believe, you are used to right now. Now, come right down here. So we just say reset. There, for the reset, do as follows. Let me start by saying currency, this one. I just need to say current equals 0. Yeah, copy that. Paste. And the other one is to equals 0. There we go. Then entry. Entry will be dots to delete. Dots delete. That will be 0, comma to the end. Then we have this, the result. Just clear that dot configure and that is going to be text equals 0. Text equals nothing. And finally, I want this to get focus. Dot focus. Dot focus. That should take care of my reset. So I'm going to pull this reset inside the button reset. Where is the button reset? Come right here. Command equals reset. Brilliant. Let's run and test that out. Okay, enter whatever value, or let me just mess it up a little bit. That is very good. Resets, very good. It's working. Enter the right value. Okay, to British pound. Convert. That's good. All right. We need exit to work now. Then we can call it the end of this tutorial. So I'm just going to call that I exit, and I exit is going to be I exit equals Tkinter dot message box dot ask yes or no. And what are the message? That's the first one. So I'm just going to call that converter. Yeah, converter, something like that. That's the title. And here is going to be confirm if you want to exit. So enter. Yeah, confirm if you want to exit. Now, using conditional statement if I exit is greater than 0, then we say root.destroy. Enter parenthesis and return. There we go. So all I'm going to do now is just call my exit inside exit button here. So comma, just grab hold of the command that will do the calling, paste that in there. Okay, so reset done. The function that deals with the conversion, and here are the conversion rate. So let's run it and see it run. Exit, very good. No, I don't want to exit. Yes, I do want to exit. So that's good. So run again one more time. Enter whatever value. And let's convert it to from British pound sterling to Australian dollar. There we go, guys. See that? And that's how you create your own currency converter in Python. Take it from the top, guys. The codes. Have a good look at it. Library call, my class, then my function declaration, frames. Okay, right here now, bring it down. That's all of the frames. Rate of conversion function that deals with the conversion rate. Then we have reset function, exit function. Then we have the widgets. You can always pause just to see what I'm doing now. And that's it. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this brilliant tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and please do subscribe to my channel. And you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now.